Hey JupyterX users, need to move your license to a new website? Whether you're starting fresh or switching things up, it's super easy. In this video, I'll show you how to revoke your license from the old site and activate it on a new one. Let's dive in. The first method to revoke a license is through JupyterX Control Panel in WordPress Admin. In the License Settings box, I'm going to click on the Revoke License option. Great! A Revoke Successful pop-up has appeared, confirming that your license has been successfully revoked. Now, I'll switch over to the ArtBees dashboard to show the second method for revoking a license. Okay, the ArtBees dashboard is accessible through my.artbees.net, and you can see your available licenses here on the License tab. So to proceed with revoking this license, I'll click the delete icon. This will prompt a confirmation to ensure I want to do this. I'll click OK to confirm. Alright, with that, the license has now been successfully unassigned, as shown in the dashboard. Now, I'll switch to the JupyterX dashboard on the website that I want to reassign my JupyterX license. I'll click on Register License to open the license registration form. To register JupyterX, you can enter either your Envato purchase code or the API key you received from the ArtBees dashboard. Now I'll go ahead and paste my API key. I'll click Submit. That's it! Transferring your JupyterX license is easier than it sounds. Whether you use the Control Panel or ArtBees dashboard, you're all set. Now go build something great!